Let's talk about ConvertKit, and we want to talk about ConvertKit email marketing. And the question is this tool really worth it this year? So here's a presentation I want you to really think about. So ConvertKit was actually founded in 2013, and they actually cater to a wide audience. I mean, a wide and varied audience. You're talking about professional creators, bloggers, solopreneurs, and they have actually expanded into other audiences like small business owners, even mid-sized business owners. So that's really cool. And what we love about ConvertKit is the flexibility. And think of our ConvertKit as a very flexible email marketing tool that really offers advanced automation features with emails and a landing page builder. And the tool is focused on helping those creators, those professionals, those business owners generate money by monetizing their newsletters or selling digital products. And ConvertKit has a paid newsletter subscriptions, and they have tip jars. They have a digital product selling features. So that's really good in terms of the flexibility, especially when it comes to the monetization aspect of things. And what we love about ConvertKit is that you are able to have features that are easy to use and navigate. So nothing really complicated. If you were to compare, for instance, if you were to compare ConvertKit to Amazon SES, you will see a large gulf. There's a large gulf between Amazon SES level of technicality and ConvertKit's. So ConvertKit is very easy for non-tech savvy people to get the hang of the tool, but sometimes you might need some technical knowledge to avail some features, but overall you are good to go. Okay, and you have an email template editor, so this is a pretty straightforward to understand. And one thing I want to say here is that it's more inclined though towards heavy text heavy emails. And the tool, this editor doesn't offer customization to create visually engaging HTML emails, okay? And you have list management. So ConvertKit offers tags that you can use to create various segments of your contact list. It's easy and intuitive to set up. You have a sign up form and landing page builder. You have also reporting and analytics. What we love about the reporting and analytics within ConvertKit is the granularity. It's not really advanced, but it's really granular. It's really detailed. So that's really cool. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Let's talk about the features here. So when you think about ConvertKit, what kind of features should you be paying attention to? So you have an email newsletter builder. That's really good. You have an email automation builder, and you have a landing page and forum builder. Let's really go a little bit more into detail. So when we talk about an email newsletter builder, basically it's more a simple email template builder, but you have many customization options. For instance, you can embed a video link, and it will get converted into a 10 seconds GIF, plug in your products or a countdown timer. You also get 20 to 25 pre-made email templates that are really easy to customize. Many of these are text-heavy templates, while others have images as well. On the downside, the design flexibility is limited. It seems you can add images with certain dimensions to fit within the frame, as some images get cut off, and there is no option to fix that, at least as of the date of this show. It gets confusing as there is no clear distinction whether you are updating the space or font size of a particular section or the entire email for that matter. There is no option to copy or duplicate a section if you wish to use sections with similar layouts and spacing. No preview or a test option in the email editor, so that's really cool. I mean, that's really a bummer. One interesting feature is reusable content blocks like header or footer blocks, which other ESPs, email services offer in their products. But ConvertKit lets you create your own and add them to any email template. Any email templates you want, right? So this can be a CTA block, it can be a question block, it can be an event registration block. That's really cool. And then you have email automation builder. So this automation builder has multiple trigger options. You have events, you have actions to help you create targeted email workflows. And right now they have 4 trigger options. What we love about the trigger option is that the trigger options are really cool in terms of monetization, but also in terms of subscriber retention strategy. For example, you are able to join a forum. So a subscriber can join a forum, can be added to a tag. you have a custom field, and you're able to purchase something, and you can add up to 5 entry points and trigger the same or different emails from each entry point. It's a pretty interesting feature, as you can target users entering through different mediums with the same email. So that's really cool. And also you have a landing page and form builder. So ConvertKit offers a sign up form and landing page builder to help collect email addresses and grow your email list. So that's really cool. The builder is fairly basic and offers in-product images from Unsplash and your Instagram profile. It's useful if you want to create a basic landing page and embed a sign-up form, but if you want to create more compelling landing pages, it's best to look for other solutions, for instance, lead pages. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about ConvertKit. Is this tool really worth it or what? Let's talk about the pricing here. So when we think about pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. So for pricing, you have the free, the creator, and the creator pro. So you have a trifecta when it comes to pricing. We love the fact that overall ConvertKit is pretty affordable. I mean, it's not an advanced sort of email marketing service, but it's really affordable. And the thing is that the pricing goes up based on the number of contacts you have. Okay, so at 10K, for instance, number of contacts. For the creator, you might be paying like 119, and actually, basically for the creator pro, you might be paying $167 per month. What you have on the screen right now was for 300 subscribers. Okay, so you're paying $9 per month for up to 300 subscribers, and you're paying for the creator pro, you are paying $25 per month for up to 300 subscribers. Okay, but it's really kind of cool if you accept the annual billing. So the annual billing will help you actually save a lot of cash, up to 30%. But overall, ConvertKit uses a gradual, if you will, a gradual sort of subscription plan to sort of charge you. So you have 300 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, all the way to 400,000 subscribers. I mean, it's totally possible. We have seen cases where we have some clients who are paying $2,000 to $3,000 a month, and they have like 1 million subscribers. I mean, that's really for large campaigns. For large campaigns, you want to contact ConvertKit. Don't do anything randomly or from the website. Contact them and let them actually set up something for you. Let me give you the assessment you need to keep in mind as you are going through ConvertKits. We want to talk about the pros and cons. We want to talk about the strengths and weaknesses. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this tool? I want to first start with the pros. You actually have advanced automation builder. You have good deliverability rate, and you are able to monetize through ConvertKit's capabilities. You can monetize your newsletter. So the tool really helps you do that. So when we talk about automation builder, this is a way advanced as you can create multiple conditions to trigger the same emails, but you need to be on ConvertKit's paid plans to activate the sequence, right? We're talking about either the pro plan or the regular plan. And ConvertKit actually really is great in terms of the deliverability. So they average like 85 to 95% deliverability rate. And ConvertKit offers a paid newsletter service, helping you generate revenue by sending a copy of your newsletter to paid subscribers. And they also have a tip jar option, which asks subscribers to give a tip if they like your newsletter. So that's pretty cool. What about the cons here? When we talk about ConvertKits, what are the things you need to be aware of? You have higher pricing. In some cases, the tool charges comparatively higher prices than its competitors, especially when it comes to like if you have a large number of subscribers. So that's really an important element to keep in mind, especially if you are going to use ConvertKit to scale your business. So they have higher prices, especially compared to GetResponse and Sendinblue. The Sendinblue now called Brevo. And you also have confusion navigation. The options in the navigation can seem confusing because those options are divided based on the task you want to complete. not the feature. For example, if you want to design an email instead of a campaign builder or email templates, there is a send option, and within that, you will see an email template option to create emails. So the way ConvertKit organizes information is confusing. It's very hard to locate some of the content you need to you need to edit. Some choices of how you should connect your content are clunky. So those are things that ConvertKit should work on right now. Plus, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about ConvertKit. Is this email newsletter or email newsletter service really worth it or what? I want to talk to you about the value added. So ConvertKit really adds a lot of value when it comes to the ease of use. So most features are easy to use, and the navigation in the backend is kind of logical. However, sometimes you need to mess with HTML code, for example, to format emails. The editor, we love the editor. The editor is a fast and self-explanatory. It's very basic, and this is kind of cool. Personalization, ConvertKit adds a lot of value there too. So you have if then else logic is available, but it's not easy to use. It's actually code based, and however, if you get it, it will do the job. You have email types. So with email types, we love the fact that ConvertKit is really adding value in terms of helping you send all kinds of emails, classic newsletters, sequences. We're speaking about autoresponders, automations, A/B testing for subject lines only, and landing page creation. And you also have the choice and flexibility of templates design. So there are 9 to 15 templates available, and they're very basic. For example, you cannot add grouped images or get column-based layouts. So it's kind of limited there, but they can add value in terms of the email template builders. They also add value in terms of email marketing automation. We love the fact that you have list management also. The tagging system is really flexible when adding or removing users from campaigns and email sequences. This makes it very easy to segment your subscribers. So if you are able to create clusters around your subscribers, that's really cool. And you have other ways where ConvertKit adds a lot of value, not just now, but over time. You have registration forms, opt-in and opt-out process, deliverability, reports and analysis, languages, spam and design testing, bounce management. So this is kind of cool. You also have a block list. But the block list, you need to unlock it. You have a storage that's available for data and images. So we love the fact that ConvertKit adds a lot of value there. You have also authentication. You are able to have your own domain. You have different levels of account access. In some cases, that's really good. And ConvertKit has a plurality of integrations. I'm talking here about Shopify, WooCommerce, SumoMe, ConvertPlug, etc. And you have also a landing page builder and also great customer service. Fantastic. What are the rivals you need to really think about? What is the rivalry that the ConvertKit faces? You have like a Mailmodo, for instance. You have it really depends on what you're looking for, right? But you have MailChimp, you have Campaign Monitor, you have MailJet. So you have a lot of players. So when we talk about Mailmodo, for instance, you have to understand that basically Mailmodo is one of the emergent and best email marketing platforms to help you create and send interactive AMP emails, build automated journeys, and create trigger campaigns. And apart from this tool is much cheaper though than ConvertKit and is also known for its excellent customer support. This is really cool. And you have like when we talk about ConvertKit, for instance, and you have like Mailmodo, for instance, rather. And you got to think about customer support. So customer support is really cool in terms of Mailmodo and all the other alternatives, because they do offer several plans when it comes to like several ways to contact customer support. And this is an area where ConvertKit can do better. You also have MailChimp. So MailChimp wins over ConvertKit in terms of detailed and in-depth reporting, as ConvertKit offers basic metric reporting like delivery rate and open and click rate. MailChimp is also a better choice if you are a large business or entrepreneur. and they've been around for a while anyway. I mean, now they're part of Intuit, which is another biggie. You have Campaign Monitor. Campaign Monitor offers the most creative pre-made template library. You have reporting dashboard for contacts, automated workflows, and campaigns. So you have flexibility there too in terms of email deliverability. Then you also have MailJet. So if you want an affordable email marketing platform that offers all basic features, MailJet can be a great choice. So the question is, you have to understand that, when we talk about MailChimp or ConvertKit, whatever, I mean, those are expensive tools, but it really depends on what you're looking for, right? And you can also use ConvertKit if you are trying to scale your business. But overall, for all intents and purposes, you want to use ConvertKit if you are a creator, I'm talking about a blogger, a YouTuber, or solopreneur, and you plan to monetize it shortly. The tool is used, it's actually created especially for such creators, and it has niche features such as product selling, tip jars to encourage more creators to grow their revenue. And that's really cool because you want to be in a situation where you're adding value over time, and ConvertKit is doing that. So that's really fantastic. So what is our conclusion here? Is ConvertKit the right tool for you? Well, it really depends. It depends on what you are actually looking for. So we recommend ConvertKit if you wish to send digital products and subscriptions. ConvertKit offers multiple options to generate revenue. You can sell digital products, you have a paid newsletter, tip jar, etc. So it's a great choice if you are looking to monetize via email marketing campaigns. And we also recommend ConvertKit if you are a creator, solopreneur, or a blogger. And so mainly because you have a list of features within ConvertKit, and you also have a very easy to use dashboard. Now, we do not recommend ConvertKit if you don't have a huge budget. So ConvertKit's starting pricing is quite affordable, but as your email list grows, the price increases strikingly, making it an expensive tool than its competitors. For example, ConvertKit, they charge like $379 per month and $519 per month for 50,000 subscribers. So those are things you need to think about. And so we actually recommend ConvertKit as your newsletter service if you want to run ultra targeted campaigns and you want to sell digital products and subscriptions. So the targeted campaigns are really cool because with ConvertKit's flexible tagging and segmentation system, you can run laser focused automated campaigns to very specific groups of contacts. And the tool's inbuilt landing page editor also allows you to manage end-to-end campaigns within one tool. So in terms of centrality, you are well covered. And so it's one of those things where ConvertKit actually, I mean, we love the fact that you have templates. Yeah, that's for sure. Because even if you're a creator, you do not want to flex your creative muscles when it comes to technology. You just want to have a tool that works and that's it. That really helps you get more money. And this is what ConvertKit does at really giving giving users the ability to monetize their content, but the ability to actually scale over time. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's do a quick recap of today's conversation. So I just given you a ConvertKit review. So I give you the presentation, the features, the pricing, the assessment, the value added, the rivals, and the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.